Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road. Today we're introducing a brand new product, something you guys have requested from us for literally years. For those of you with king shocks who live in harsh environments, salted roads, gravel roads, things like that, the steel bodies have often pitted and over the course of a couple years don't quite look as good as they are when they're new. Today we're introducing our CNC cut shock wrap kits. So these are a kit utilizing XPEL PPF film. This film is an extremely unique product. It's going to be self-healing, so when you get pinhole, nicks, and things like that, when it heats up, it actually heals itself. It's going to keep out, especially those of you guys in corrosive environments, somewhere they salt the road or throw whatever chemicals they do on the road. It's going to keep those off your steel shock body, so it's going to have that shock looking good for a long time. Now, we've started with the king shocks. We're actually even still moving to the fox shocks, even though they have the aluminum body. Those of you who do, again, travel gravel roads, things like that, you do want this shock to look good for a long time, and that's where this film comes into play. So even on the fox shocks, we're going to be introducing kits for those as well. Now, again, the very cool part about this is that they are CNC machined, right? So we've gone through part numbers that we already offer on our website. Obviously, we started with the highest selling shocks, and we're working our way down. But you know, for those of you with a Ford pin top level shock package, you'll be able to take the shock off the truck, wrap it. It's going to precision fit. It'll wrap around the reservoir. It'll wrap around all the idiosyncrasies of the shock. And you'll be able to protect that shock and make sure it looks good for the long haul. Now, if you don't have a part number that's already listed, feel free to shoot us an email. We're adding to these weekly. However, we are hitting most of the options that we typically sell, and then we may move on to other brands from there. So again, starting with the Carly King options and then moving on from there. Short of putting bubble wrapping and a metal shield around the shock, this is going to be the simplest, cleanest, and most aesthetically pleasing protection option for your shocks. And again, this is an XPEL product, so it is one of the best in the business. This is not a subpar overseas film, so you're going to get a quality, good-looking product as well. Now again, if you are scared to apply these, I have never wrapped or even put a sticker on straight. I actually did film our installation video, so there is hope for those of you who lack a little bit of physical coordination when it comes to sticking things. If you do have questions, our whole staff is here to help you. We've linked it down below. Again, you're going to be able to see all of the part numbers that we currently have kits for, and we will be adding to those weekly. Again, any questions, comments, drop them down below, shoot us a call, send us an email. We're happy to help however we can. And yeah, just super stoked to offer you guys another unique product for your heavy duty trucks.